Franco, I'm sure you're bitterly disappointed. If you can just give us your initial thoughts at full time.
Yeah, I think bitterly disappointed sums it up nicely. So, yeah, we were good enough to win this one today. Yeah, hats off to the Bulls. So obviously, I will compliment them definitely for staying in the fight and coming back from being 21-0 down, I suppose, or 21-3 down. And yeah, I think we started. Uncharacteristically go off our game a little bit, and yeah, in the second half of the game specifically, we're usually a proud second half team. So yeah, disappointed.
What do you think changed? Because at 21-3 there looked like really only one winner. It was almost seemed if you got one more, then it was almost game done. Did you notice a momentum swinger or a moment that shifted things towards them?
Look, there wasn't a moment. That was actually the strangest thing. It's just like we started seeing the Bulls' scoreline in the rear view mirror, and I felt we weren't as effective defensively anymore, and that fueled obviously their physicality. So, yeah, I thought in general, maybe we wanted the result more than what we were aiming to be able to do. Sometimes when you get into the change room with that scoreline, you are there and you think that it's the end. So. And then go a little bit off script, but yeah, a lot to work on. We've seen this unfortunately with some of the players, in some of the big games where we still have to learn and have to grow to become ruthless in the second part of the game.
Does that become your sort of main work on over the summer and into next season as this season comes to a close and you learn from Toulon and from today that what you develop into next season?
Yeah, definitely. There's some important ingredients in those games. We've now created expectation. We must learn to deal with it. And last year at this exact date, I was unhappy with the fact that we only had 38 pros going into the season, and not enough maybe foreigners to back up our international quality that we've got, and to still have to use a lot of young players. And we had a brilliant season from that perspective. We managed to get here, stay top of the log, and play in this final. Now, yeah, there's a little bit more to be done, but we will definitely take the learnings from this.
Right, well, thanks for your time.
Thank you.